Australia immigration rules are changing, and for the millions of visa holders, the future is uncertain. In 2025, strict visa policies, tougher work restrictions, and limited PR opportunities could face thousands, maybe even you, to leave the country. But here's the thing, while many struggle, a few will find ways to stay and thrive. Want to know how? In this video, we will reveal everything: who's at risk, what's changing, and the secret strategies to secure your place in Australia. Stay till end because this might be your last chance to safeguard your future in Australia. Big changes are coming to Australia's immigration system in 2025, and if you are a migrant system, student or a skilled worker, your future in Australia could be at risk. Strict visa rules, reduced PR opportunities, and new work restrictions might force millions to leave the country. But don't panic just yet. In this video, we break down everything you need to know: who's affected, what options you have, and how you can still secure your place in Australia. Stay tuned because missing this information could cost your Australian dream. Australia is introducing significant immigration rules changes in 2025, which may impact millions of migrants, international students, and visa holders. Key updates included strict rules for the temporary visa. Number 1, visa hopping restrictions. The government is cracking down on visa hopping, where temporary visa holders extend their stay by switching to another temporary visa. For example, visitor visa subclass 600 holders can no longer apply for the student visas. Subclass 500 while in Australia, confirmation of enrollment, a requirement from January 2025. International students must secure a COE, Skilled Migration Program overall, new visa for in-demand. Job, a skill in-demand SID visa replaced with the temporary skills shortages visas. This allows workers in critical sector, example healthcare, IT, engineering, to work up 4 years and apply for the permanent residency after 2 years. Age limit for the graduate visa. The temporary graduate visa TGV age limit has been reduced to 35 years, except for some advanced degrees. Caps on international students intake. Student visa limit. Australia is capping new student visas at 270,000 per year, distributed across universities, VET institutions, and private colleges. Increase scrutiny on visas application, stricter visa processing, enhanced background checks, identify verification, and fraud detection will be enforced. Changes to regional and employer-sponsored visas. Regional visas incentives more points and pathway to the permanent residency for the skilled migrants settling in regional areas. National Innovations Visas (NSW) is developing a new nomination system to attract highly skilled professionals. These policies indicate a shift towards stricter migration, prioritizing skilled workers while limiting temporary and student visas extensions. Higher English language and requirements and genuine students. Requirements to prevent visa hopping. Financial proof requirements, and applicants must show a confirmation of enrollment CRE and meet updated financial capacity standards. Visa fee increase. Student visa fee have risen to Australian dollar 1,600 previously, now 710 work hours restrictions. The government is tightening work hours limits for the international students. Number 2, skilled migration to the PR pathways. Reduction in the permanent residency spots. The PR quota has been reduced to 185,000 place for 2024 and 2025. Skilled independent visas cut. The application has dropped significantly from 30 to 375 to 16,900 spots. Regional migration incentives. Migrants relocating to the regional areas may receive cash benefits and priority processing. New essential skills pathway. Introducing for the low-income workers in aged care and disability sectors. Number 3. Temporary graduate visa (TGV) changes. Shorter post-study stay. The government has reduced the length of stay for the graduate visa holders. PR pathway for the skilled graduates. Only those with the relevant work experience will be eligible for the PR. Number 4. New visa programs. National Innovations Visa (NIV), replacing the Global Talent and Business Innovations visas. These new visas target high-achieving individuals like researchers and entrepreneurs. Pacific Engagement Visa (PEV) offers 3,000 PRs export annually for the Pacific Island nationals and Timor Leste. India-Australia Mobility Scheme allows 3,000 young Indian professionals to work in Australia for up to 2 years. Increased scrutiny on family and partner visas. Processing times improves, but applications will be under stricter scrutiny. Number 6. Asylum seekers and humanitarian visas changes. Tighter processing rules for the asylum seekers with focus on offshore processing. Number 7. Impact on temporary visa holders. With PR sports being reduced, work restrictions tightening and visa fees increasing, many temporary visas holders may find it challenging to stay in Australia beyond 2025. The government is prioritizing local job security and ensuring migration aligns with the national labour market needs. Final words. Australian immigration landscape is changing fast, and for many 2025 could be turning point. With stricter visa rules, tougher work restrictions and limited PR opportunities, the road ahead won't be easy. But remember, knowledge is power. Those who stay informed and act strategically will have the best chance of securing their future in Australia.